So maybe your soap isn't the typical bar shape. That's okay. The shrink wrap is so flexible that it can shrink around any shape. How about round soap? Or square soap with a very intricate top. That's what's so great about using the system. You can really be creative with your soap and not have to worry too much about, oh, I can't find a box that'll fit in. The process is the same in sealing it with the plastic around. Then you just use the heat gun to shrink it down. There you go, wrapped round bar of soap. Doesn't matter what the shape is, because the plastic can wrap around it. Want to get really tricky? How about a soap cupcake? Now that's an unusual bar of soap. It'll work on this too. It's the same idea. I'm going to make a little bag around the soap. Seal it once this way. And then seal the last opening there. So now you've got it completely wrapped in plastic and we just need to shrink it down. Again, do the edges first. There you go. A wrapped cupcake soap. Now you could add a label to the bottom, maybe? Or you could slip this into a little gift bag. But at least you know that your soap is protected all around with the plastic wrap.